Good morning, students. I am Sir Neil, your first-year mathematics teacher at Laguna University. So for today's lesson, we will discuss the history, purpose, importance, and definition of NSTP or National Service Training Program. So before we start our topic, we will talk about some background information on National Service Training Program, or also known as NSTP. The NSTP of the Philippines was promulgated through the virtue of Republic Act No. 9163 in December 2011 and was enacted in January 2002 to amend the expanded ROTC program. Republic Act No. 9163 is also known as an act establishing the National Service Training Program or NSTP for tertiary students, amending for the purpose Republic Act No. 7077 and Presidential Decree No. 1706, and for other purposes, is also known or referred to as the National Service Training Program or NSTP Act of 2001. So now, let's proceed and talk about the definition of NSTP. So what is NSTP? NSTP is a program that aims to teach civic consciousness and defense preparedness in the youth sector by promoting sense of service and nationalism among students as they undergo training in any of its three program components. These components are especially developed to enhance the youth's active participation in nation building and contribution to the general welfare of Filipinos. NSTP has three components, namely ROTC, CWTS, and LTS. ROTC is a program that aims to provide military education and training to college students, preparing them for national defense. The next natin is CWTS. CWTS aims to cultivate civic consciousness and social responsibility among students, encouraging them to contribute to community development and welfare. Lastly, LTS. LTS is a civic education and defense preparedness program for higher education and vocational students in the Philippines. So ngayon ay hihimay-himayin natin yung tatlong components ng NSTP. So ngayon ay pag-uusapan naman natin ang ROTC. So ano nga ba si ROTC? Ito ay ang Reserve Officers Training Corps. So ROTC integrates academic studies with military instruction, including basic military training and officer training. This includes classroom learning and field exercises covering marksmanship, physical fitness, leadership, and national defense. So pag sinabi nating ROTC, ito ay isang program kung saan nakafocus ito sa military instructions. So ayan, makikita naman natin sa ating screen ang halimbawa ng mga nag-undergo sa ROTC. So makikita natin dyan ng mga tertiary students ay nakabihis na parang pang sundalo na talaga. Pero sila ay nag-undergo o nag-aaral pa ng basic military training. So ano naman kaya ang purpose ni ROTC? ROTC focuses on training college students from national defense preparedness and developing them into potential officers. At ano naman kaya ang importance ng ROTC? ROTC cultivates discipline, leadership, and patriotism among college students. By combining education with military training, it strengthens national defense and molds students into responsible citizens prepared to lead in any field. So now, let's talk about CWTS or Civil Welfare Training Service. CWTS aims to equip students with the skills and knowledge to address societal challenges through practical, community-based services. These activities are diverse and adaptable to the specific needs of each community. So ayan, makikita naman natin sa ating screen ang halimbawa ng mga nag-undergo na college students sa program ng CWTS. So, makikita natin dyan, ang halimbawa ng CWTS ay ang tree planting at yung mga basic emergency skills kagaya ng CPR. So, ano nga ba ang purpose ni CWTS? CWTS is to cultivate civic consciousness and social responsibility among tertiary students. It aims to develop students into well-rounded individuals who understand their role as citizens and actively participate in improving their communities. At ano naman kaya ang importance ng CWTS? CWTS empowers students to participate in nation building by directly contributing to community welfare. It provides opportunities for hands-on involvement in projects that address societal needs, fostering a deep understanding of civic responsibilities and developing skills to effect positive change. And lastly, we will talk about LTS or Literary Training Service. The LTS component addresses the need to improve literary rates and promote education as a tool for national development. Students enrolled in LTS are trained to become educators and facilitators of learning in their communities. So ayan, ito ay isang halimbawa ng mga nag-undergo na college students sa program ng LTS. So makikita naman natin sa ating screen na mayroong nagtuturo sa mga bata ng numerical at literacy. So ano naman kaya ang purpose ni LTS? It focuses on training students to become teachers of literacy and numeracy for children, out-of-school youth, and other segments of society. At ano naman kaya ang importance ng LTS? LTS equips college students with the skill to teach literacy and numeracy to those in need. LTS play a significant role in community development and nation building by addressing educational disparities and fostering civic engagement. So ang ating quote of the day, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, according to Nelson Mandela. Sana po ay meron kayo natutunan sa lesson natin ngayong araw at magkita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod. Paalam!